Okay, so today we're going to work on a floor plan. To do the floor plan, we need first to have this sheet. So this is a title block approved by me. That's where you place your name. So we will have a module session on how to make a title block. For the meantime, we're going to use this title block to zoom into the full extent. So you just type Z, zoom, enter, and then makikita nyo sa baba, ayan, merong extents. Okay, so that is what we're going to use. Now, we will make a new drawing. So open new drawing. So you'll have a blank slate. Okay, so a client of ours, for example, in upwork.com, so online job, want us to make an Autocad drawing of a sketch. The lot is 14 by 20. We're going to make a lot 20 by 14. Enter. Zoom, extend. There, that's the lot. Okay, I was drawing with wall, so I should be drawing with, so this is the lot. It's called green. See, there, that's the lot. Okay. So let's see, let's check if it's okay, 20. Okay, so that means this other one is 14. Okay, since this is a new drawing, we will configure the measurements. Okay, we go to annotation here, and then the dimension standard. Let's try. There, okay. Then, okay, here. Okay, so now let's continue. Normally, there's a road, so we will draw using lot line. At 1 meter, there's a sidewalk. So if you don't lock the vertical and the horizontal line, you might have an error. So you press F8, 1 meter. There. Okay, then you press offset O at 6. So that's a 6 meters width of the road, a small subdivision road. And then offset by, again, 1 meter for the sidewalk with the other side. 1. Enter. Okay, so there's your sidewalk, the front of the lot. See to it that it will fit our paper. First, let me bring up what we're going to draw. It's called one-story house. There, okay. Let's move it inside the lot. Let's see if we can fit it inside the drawing. So we press layout there. So, and then we attach the title block that we created earlier. So there, it's very small. So what we do is to fit this inside the paper. Yeah, we'll fit that inside the paper and change the scale. It's 0.001. There, it's so small naman. Let's make it bigger. Let's center it. Okay. Then let's double click inside. Okay, that's the model space. And then press zoom. And then extends. There, okay. So this is the floor plan layout, which we will print. Okay, floor plan 1. Now let us configure the floor plan 1. Page setup, modify, print, Microsoft Print to PDF, property, A4, landscape. Okay. And then let's see, window. There, from here to here. Then let's say fit in paper. Fit in paper, center to flat. Okay, there. It's important that first we are able to see if it fits in the paper that we're going to print, instead, so that when we draw and then it's rush time and we have to submit it, at least we now know that how it will appear. Now we can check the scale. 0.01. It's very small. 0.02. So the standard scale is 1 is to 50. So if it's 1 to 100, so a 1 centimeter is 1 meter. So this is 1 is to 50. Otherwise, it will not fit the paper. Let's see how it will print. First, we go to model space. And then let's see if everything is going to be white. And let's print. Print preview. There. We are now ready to draw our first floor plan. Learn with red.